नमस्कार वेलकम टू मौ प्रिंट्स मोनेर मतो शाड़ी जे शाड़ी आपनादेर बानाय सम्पूर्ण नारी सेई शाड़ी निये I am Mo behalf of Mo Prints Kolkata. Today I am going to show you beautiful sarees. Sarees are beautiful like each other day, and today I am going to show sarees are crafted differently. The saree I am wearing, this is Tasar by Cotton. कॉटन का एक धागा है और तसर का एक धागा है, उससे बनी हुई है and it has a binded border and the whole saree is just front of you. This is done with natural dye color, no pigment color on this, thus the saree looks beautiful, and this saree is having blouse piece as well. In case you like to take the saree, we are offering for online and offline sale. Kindly send us a screenshot. 9831575641 is our number and address is 6E Keatola Road, Kolkata 29. Today I'm going to show beautiful sari. As I promised, the first sari is a pure cotton sari. This sari is having batik work, beautiful color combination, grey and pink combo. In case you want to take the sari, please have a look, take a screenshot, send it to us so that we can tell availability and the price. First wash should be dry wash, then onwards you can wash it at home. This sari is having long pallu, beautifully done. That's how the sari looks like, and it comes along with blouse piece. Showing you the blouse piece. This is how the blouse piece of the sari. Very budget friendly sari. In case you want to take the sari, please take a screenshot, send it to us. We'll tell you availability and the price. Those who want to see our video everyday basis, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. You will be getting all notification and latest updates. Next sari, batik sari. This is also a pure cotton one. Color is so very pretty. It's a mauve color sari. It has both tuli batik and crack batik. Tuli batik started by Rabindranath Tagore. This is a very classic design, Alpona motif. Rabindranath Thakur जो प्रवर्तन किया था, जो स्टार्ट किया था, उससे ही आगे लेके जा रहे हैं. वो साड़ी पे होता है, वॉल हैंगिंग पे होता है. यू कैन सी ऑन मेनी स्पेसेस, बट दिस साड़ी इज इंस्पायर्ड बाय दैट एंड द डिजाइन इज commonly done in Shantiniketan. This is how the sari looks like. This is a beautiful one. Pallu area and overall design of the sari comes along with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the sari. This is a combination of mauve and blue, not black. Those who are asking me question like sari pe black hai ya blue hai, for your knowledge, this is a combination of blue, dark navy blue and mauve color. In case you like to take the sari, take a look and take a screenshot, send it to us so that we can tell availability and the price of the sari. Next one, पौरे शाड़ीटा, of course this is also a beautiful cotton sari और इसपे भी तुली बाटिक किया गया है. ये हाथ से होता है हमेशा, जो ब्रश बाटिक बोलते हैं, ब्रश यूज किया जाता है एंड 0 to 2.2 ये ब्रश यूज होने से इतना बारीक काम आता है. So that's how the sari looks like. Beautiful batik, and look at the fall. The cotton is like butter, and this sari you can take care at your home. Pure cotton sari है. आप चाहो तो उस पे स्टार्च डाल सकते हो, नहीं चाहो तो स्टार्च मत डालो. It's up to you. Pure cotton sari use as you want to use. फर्स्ट वॉश ड्राई वॉश करने से साड़ी का जो लास्टर है वो इंटैक्ट हो जाएगा एंड देन ऑनवर्ड्स यू कैन वॉश इट एट होम. That's how the beautiful sari looks like. It has also a very long pallu. That's how the sari looks like, and of course it has a beautiful blouse piece. This is how the blouse piece of the sari. খুবই বাজেট ফ্রেন্ডলি শাড়ি এগুলো. যারা মনে করছেন নেবেন তারা প্লিজ আমাদের সাথে কন্ট্যাক্ট করুন. 9831575641 is our number. एड्रेस is 6E केतला रोड, कोलकाता 29. ये सब जो डिजाइन है जस्ट सिंगल पीस है, इसका दूसरा कोई कॉपी नहीं है, बिकॉज हाथ से बनी होती है. इन केस यू लाइक टू टेक वन, you can always have a screenshot and send it to us so that we can tell you availability and the price of the sari. The next one, পরের যে শাড়িটা দেখাচ্ছি, this is a beautiful অন্য রকমের শাড়ি. শুরুতেই বলেছি differently done শাড়ি. This sari is done by muslin and tasar. साड़ी का जो लुक और जेस्चर है और जो लास्चर है, that is because of two kinds of twisted yarn used for this sari. मसलिन एंड तसर, पूरा तसर होने से प्राइस थोड़ा बढ़ता है. इस पे मसलिन और तसर का धागा है, सो प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इट्स अ बजट फ्रेंडली साड़ी, बट इट हैज अ ब्यूटिफुल लुक. अपूर्व सुंदर, एंड यू कैन वेयर इट ऑफ कोर्स फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ लाइट ओकेजन. It has a blouse piece. We are giving a beautiful blouse piece along with the sari, which goes with the floral motif. साड़ी पे जो floral motif है वो blouse पे भी आ रहा है. So you are getting a combination blouse piece along with the sari. In case you want to take the sari, please take a screenshot, send it to us so that we can tell availability and the price of the sari. Next sari. পরের যে শাড়িটা দেখাবো, this is a beautiful same material. This is also muslin and tasar, जिसके लिए साड़ी is softer and of course the fall is also very very pretty. Look at the sunshine yellow on white. उस पे green color का पत्ता बनी हुई है, leafy motif बनी हुई है and yellow floral motif. जस्ट शिफॉन पे जैसा डिजाइन बनता है वैसा ही डिजाइन बनी हुई है साड़ी के ऊपर. दैट्स हाउ द साड़ी लुक्स लाइक. द होल साड़ी इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस, एंड वी आर गिविंग अ ब्यूटिफुल अजरक ब्लाउज पीस अलॉन्ग विद द साड़ी, विच इज not only going, which is just enhancing beauty of the sari. শাড়ির যে সৌন্দর্য সেটা অনেক গুণ বাড়িয়ে দিচ্ছে এই ব্লাউজ পিসটার সাথে. And of course you can use this blouse piece for any other sarees as well. Next साड़ी, পরের যে শাড়িটা দেখাবো, और एक beautiful साड़ी मैं दिखा रही हूँ. This is also a very very pretty साड़ी. तसर by मसलिन. इसका जो बटर टेक्सचर है, it says everything. It's a beautiful one, beautiful one. Look at the beautiful sari, beautiful combination. That's how the whole sari looks like. This is the top section of the sari, beautiful achul, yoke area, and down section of the sari is having beautiful floral motif. That's how the whole sari is. We are giving a blouse piece which is woven, and it is also enhancing beauty of the sari. ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই স্ক্রিনশট নিতে হবে, আমাদেরকে পাঠাতে হবে. and this colors can give you soothing, eye soothing colors. this all are ये गर्मी के दिन पे आप ये सारा साड़ियाँ जो है डे टाइम पे तो पहन सकते हैं. you can use it at evening as well. only the thing is you have to change your accessories, or maybe you can change your type of blouse or cut of blouses. Last sari of the day, which is a absolutely pure tasar silk sari. Beautiful one, texture wise, design wise, differently done. शुरू में ही बोला था कि designs are different. It has running blouse piece, but I suggest you should wear along with grey color blouse. That will give you more poppiness. That's how the whole sari looks like. Exactly pure silk का जो design होता है वैसा ही. and look at the fall of the sari. because of the texture and because of the calendaring done for this sari looks more flowy. so in case you like to take any one of this sari or more than one, the same method, you have to take a screenshot, send it to us. we'll tell you availability and the price of sari. देखते रहिए मऊ प्रिंट्स, मोनेर मतो साड़ी जो बनाए आपको संपूर्ण नारी. एंड साड़ी का जो कलेक्शन है वो देखने के लिए आपको सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन. वंस you do so, you will be getting all notification and latest updates.